Now, here's how you can create a table on a Notion in iPhone. So it is pretty simple. I would recommend you to just open up the Notion app, start a new page, name it however you like. And when you get to the field or the text field, I want you to click on this plus button right here. Many different things like the blocks are going to pop up, and one of them is table, right? So you might be scrolled to the bottom, so just get here to the top, and here's the table. So it looks kind of simple, right? So you can just start typing into these like individual feeds and whatever, right? So you can select even more. Pretty useful stuff, and yeah, it's pretty cool, right? But you also have whenever a row and a column you in, you get like these buttons right there. And when you just grab this, you can move columns as well as rows around for better organization. Or you might also just click on this button and you will get some more options. Like you can insert another row below, you can duplicate it, you can clear the contents of the entire row, you can change the color, background color of that one, right? So this is how you can customize it. You can, just like before, you can move it to the bottom. Same for columns. So it is pretty cool in terms of that. Obviously, you need to fill it up with your information and stuff. However, if you want to get a little bit more fancy, I would recommend you to just leave the app, go to the Safari and look up a Notion templates like marketplace. So just look up Notion templates in like Google, right? So make sure you get inside, and this very first one, it has 30k plus templates which you can pick from. So you can look for something like a table, right? See what comes up, and there are so many different like prepared templates which you can get directly to your Notion, where you already have like these, I don't know, like tables set up already, so you can get the template. Obviously, you need to check out if you like it or not before you get it. Most of them are for free, some of them are paid, right? So you can now notice that I have it right here. So I guess it is going to be saved somewhere. You can see that sometimes it kind of glitches out or whatever, but you can get the template and save it to your workspace, and then it is just gonna appear right here. So this is like this brand new one which I added for the lectures. As I say, there are plenty of different options and plenty of different possibilities, so just look up the Notion templates marketplace as well. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.